Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer WhatsApp chats to new phones. Go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. Alright? First of all, go ahead to the settings at the bottom right, click chat, and then go to the chat backup and just make sure to back up your recent messages, right? And that will help you when you take your SIM card and insert it into a new phone. That will help you just recover it immediately. The second way, you could just go ahead and simply transfer chat and stay on the settings, stay on the chat settings, of course, and go to the transfer chat to an iPhone, right? And then start the process of transferring your chat to your new phone. Just simply scan the QR code and download the WhatsApp on your new phone and register with the same phone number and use this phone to scan the QR code shown on your new phone, and that way you're going to be able to transfer chats immediately. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and catch you in the next time.